Hey guys, I'm back with my day 8 question. Hope you all are doing good. So, first, I would like to read out the question. The question states a company hosts a production application on an EC2 instance that uses an Amazon EBS volume to store critical application data. Due to an accidental deletion of important files, the application team needs to restore the data to a previously known good state with minimal downtime. The team has an EBS snapshot that was taken the previous night. How should the team restore the EBS snapshot in AWS? So basically, what is required? We need to restore the EBS snapshot. So we have a good copy of snapshot which was taken one day before, and that we need to restore it because some critical files are there on that the critical files on an EBS volume were there which got deleted. Okay, so let me take you to the console and show you. So I have deployed an EC2 instance with two EBS volume. One is root volume and one is data volume. The second one is data volume. I have created some data in this volume. So I have already logged on. So this is my Linux instance. If I do fdisk-l, I get to see the different volumes that is been attached. So this is the first volume, 8 gib, which has got these file systems, and then as I go to the second volume which is of 1 gib, I have created one file system on that volume. Okay, so I have already mounted that. So if I run mount command, you can see the last one which so the newly attached volume is been formatted, a file system is created, and it's already mounted. So the mount point is testfs. So let me show you what data did I create here. So I have created few files and few directories. Let's say I go with file 1. Let me show you the content of file 1. So this is the content. Okay, fine. So this is what I have in my data volume. Now let me detach this volume from, and yeah, also I have created snapshot. So I'll go to snapshot. So this is the snapshot of that data volume, 1 gib, right? Now let's detach the volume from my instance to showcase that the volume got corrupted, or the data on the volume got corrupted and we would want to restore it. Fine. So I'm just detaching this. Okay. So the volume got detached. Now I don't have access to the data which was there created on that volume. Let's say if I do again ls for this one, I started getting the input output error. So it showcased that okay, that volume is been the volume is corrupted. Fine. So the scenario is created. Now I would want to restore the data. I already have the snapshot. So I go to snapshot, I select this, and I have an option here, create volume from snapshot. Now when I'm creating volume from this snapshot, what I need to do, I can change the type of the volume. Okay, I can increase the size. Minimum size you should keep equal to the original volume of which the snapshot was done. Next important thing what you need to do is availability zone. This should match with your instance. If you want to attach this volume to the existing instance, the availability zone should match, else you will not be able to attach. So let me quickly check the instance easy so that I will create in the same availability zone. So my availability zone is 1F. Fine. I'll go to snapshot. I'll select the snapshot. I go for create volume from snapshot. I'll make it just a magnetic one because this is just for demo purpose. I'll not change the size, and here I will make it 1F because my instance is deployed in 1F availability zone. That's it. I'm good to go ahead and create a volume. Maybe if I want I can tag it, but it's okay. I'll just go ahead and create the volume. So the volume is created. let me go to volumes and yeah. So let me just check. The newly created volume is the first one. Can you see it is initializing? So that is the one. I'll go ahead and select this action, attach the volume. I'll choose my instance, select the device. Let's say I go with SDC and then I go ahead and attach the volume. So this is how we restore the data from snapshot, EBS snapshot. Now let me check, let me cross check it here. So if I go for DF, surely the mount point is left out, but still that input output error is there. I have to remount it once again. But before that, I'll check my volume name, my EBS volume name. So here you can see this is the volume and this is the file system that is created. So let's mount it once again. So mount slash dev slash nvm e1 n1 and p1 slash testfs. Let me check. Yeah, it's showing me access to the data, D1 directory. Let me check if I can read the content of the file. Yes. So I have restored it successfully. The volume, the data from the snapshot is restored successfully. So this is how we restore the EBS snapshot. I hope you found this information useful. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such content. And thank you so much. Bye bye.